Welcome to How to Garden. Today I'm going to cover how I start a pineapple. Now, every gardener's got a how they start their pineapple video. I do mine basically the same, but not exactly. Now right here I have a pineapple top that was just cut off. It's still alive on the inside. You just cut your pineapple top, and I like to let it sit and dry for a couple of days. You take it, you put it in a bowl, you add some water, and you go set it on a shelf somewhere, and you make sure you keep your water topped off. Not enough that it's flooding, but a decent amount so that it's always got some water. Now, I prefer to use a clear bowl. Now, this is one that I'm getting started. This is one I started several months ago, and as you can see, I've got it in a clear bowl. And the reason I prefer the clear bowl is I can look inside of it very easily and see that this has roots. This one is just about ready to be potted up. Probably the next couple of weeks I'll be potting this up. This is one that I started last year, and it is ready to go to ground. Now, it's got a really fun little thing going on. I'm going to move forward so that you can see this. So now that this one's going real good, I've got a pup coming up. So I can actually separate this pup and get a whole nother plant out of this pup. This one, it's ready to go to ground. I've got roots coming out the side. That's my indicator. So this will be going to ground probably in the next 30 days or so. So starting pineapples from tops that you get from the grocery store, they're really, really easy. Don't be intimidated with it by any manner whatsoever. You get a top, pop it in a bowl of water, sit it off somewhere where it gets light but not direct sunlight. Keep your water topped off. A couple of months, it'll start growing real good. You'll have some roots. Once you have roots like this or a little more, go ahead and pot it up in a pot like this. Wait until your next rainy season, go ahead and pop it in your ground. That's all there is to it. You have a great day.